This is 2020. This is 2021. I don't know why it says 2023. There we go. Yeah, I'll fix it. That's my bad. 2021 SkyBox Marvel Spiderman Metal Universe. $2 random letter number 24. Wow, what is happening to me?
Can I say it? Can I say it? This is 2021 SkyBox Marvel Spider-Man
Metal
Universe 2-box random number number 14. Time to roll the dice.
Yep. Whop.
We got 6 time on the die.
First with the letters.
First with the letters.
2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, 6. Whop!
Good luck to everyone.
Everybody looking for that number, lucky number 7 spot right now. Do you know why, Hina?
Why?
Because look at the number 7. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. 6 times. 4, 5, and 6. Gonna do the copy to paste. Boom and boom.
Did you guys like how I announced the box? Say yes, I'm fragile.
I will say, we got collecting nostalgia with both the Spider-Man and the non-Spider-Man S. Securing all Spodermans. All the Spoderman. But we could still get like characters like Wolverine. Oh my god, and the collecting nostalgia got W for Wolverine. Nostalgia, I don't know if I've ever seen you in chat, but you kind of go crazy here in the pop room, not gonna lie. Let's get this printed with you guys at the table. Here's my knife.
Can you say this word highlighted in blue? Yeah, I don't know what it is. I thought it was an actual drug name, and then I realized it's just a short.
Oh.
Yeah.
Aducanumab.
Yep. Amyloid beta-directed monoclonal antibody.
Gesundheit. Good luck, y'all. Got everything in order over there. Let's see what we can find in here. Maybe some more PMGs. Maybe some more of them crazy looking inserts. I do like this one a lot. I forgot these packs are not the most fun to open. They take a little finesse. Some of you guys can hear Teddy. I did send that email out.
goodness. Some crazy looking Black Bolt art on this one. I've never seen Black Bolt with like a full face shield and everything.
Oh my god, it's 10:30.
Yeah, I feel that exact same way. When I was walking back in, I was like, what the heck?
I do not. Wow. I feel like we just got here.
Yeah, no, I definitely do too. I mean, mind you, there's, still another...
you've been pretty busy this stream.
Yeah.
Like, consistent enough, I feel. Okay. I mean, that makes more sense to me.
Yes.
Because for some reason, I feel like it's been
Yes.
like 9 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
No, seeing that, I was like, okay, yeah.
We got, like,
it
yeah.
makes sense.
No, in my head, I'm like, I only have an hour?
Do you want to get something to eat tonight after this?
Sure.
What are you thinking? You can never tell what the color out of this product, man. I do like Spider-Man because it's a little bit more obvious than the X-Men one, but still. I'm so used to Avengers. Oh, PMG, red PMG, red PMG. Hina does have magic hands. I will say this. Well, we've done 3 breaks today. 2 of the breaks that you picked and the 1 break that I picked, and the 2 that you picked had craziness, including the red PMG that's in this. There's 2 red PMGs. Oh my god. Is that sick?
Oh! Wait, how do you know? I want to see.
You see the bright red?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is it right there and right there?
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh!
No, to put in perspective, usually out of
scary.
a case,
Uh-huh.
we'd see like 2 to 3 for this one. We've already seen 2, so you should
Oh,
find
and these
another
are only
2 in
2
one.
boxes.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I think this is a hot case.
So, Descall.
Here we go. I do love this stuff. Good luck, y'all.
Good
Good
luck,
luck, good luck, good
guys.
luck. Look at Miguel.
I love it.
Mary Jane Watson. I love the art in this one. Iron Man. Miles.
Whoa, that's
On the
cool.
Palladium. Clear acetate card. Letter M from Miles. It's Music's brother. Love that Mr. Negative's getting some love. Rhino. Peter Porker on the Grandiose. Oh look, it's the same artwork from Chrome. Throwing all the hot dogs. Love that Captain Marvel artwork. Very cute. Let There Be Carnage. No. There we got Anya. Have you read about her?
No.
I know like nothing about her.
Neither do I.
Huh.
Surprisingly.
Silver Sable on the Grandiose. Letter S for nostalgia. Gosh, Toxin. Always looks so crazy. Venom on the base. Going through our base here. Love the Iron Spider. Electro. Oh my god. You're telling me you picked a box with a sketch and then the other box has 2 red PMGs?
You're welcome, guys.
Bro, is that Eddie Brock?
It is! Whoa!
Like, is that Venom taking over Eddie Brock?
Wow, ode to OG Spider-Man movies. Yo, is that...
I gotta take a
Is
picture
that
of it.
like...
That's like part of the, like, that it's, see? So that's just right there.
Oh, but that looks... That's still so cool.
No, that's incredible. We're gonna take a picture of that sketch, my goodness.
Oh, so this is one box and this is one
Mhm.
box. That's insane. We are Venom.
How do we have it on the website
yeah.
for the sketches, guys?
Are you in this, Music's brother? Oh no,
Yes.
you are? Oh, H and M.
So I got the miles earlier.
I was gonna say. I wish you the best of luck, bro.
Let's go to the website real quick. Can you click on this one? Yeah. Yep. Let's see.
Oh, you're looking at this?
Oh no, it doesn't outline sketches, huh?
Do you have to find it on the website itself? Like,
No, it's just we would have typed it out. This is definitely Venom.
have you seen a lot of sketches from
This is the first sketch we've seen out of this one.
out of the set?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Whoa!
It's Venom.
It's definitely Venom.
It's definitely Venom.
Congratulations!
Mike said it's mine.
No, that's
so cool. It's
That's
so
awesome.
crazy.
You can see 101 up there, artist signature right there.
Yay! Congratulations, sir.
My goodness. My frickin' goodness, man. I was not even halfway through the first box, let alone we have two.
I got magic hands.
Yeah, you do.
Guys, since I'm giving y'all good luck for this break, can y'all give me good luck for my exams?
Can we exchange it? Holy
Please.
freaking teal. 2-for-1 shrimp combo, by the way, on the Skibbity Beast. 47 out of 50 on the teal.
Thank you, Music's brother.
Who's got a B? A beast? Nostalgia with the Skibbity Beast. He got the dogs out. There's another Palladium of Rhino. A little bit of a printing line on the... I mean, you guys can see it, the printing line right there on the shoulder, but still a very cool card. I love that this year has the cracked ice look on the cards and that they're also die cut. There's Lizard. I see Grandiose coming up. Of Toxin. Letter T. Nostalgia. Getting a hit off of Toxin.
They are really big exams.
Is this another teal? Oh my god. Oh wow, that's so cool.
Oh, that is pretty.
That's so freaking cool. That is a crispy looking copy too to 50. That is a really, really good looking copy. Nostalgia, I don't know if you're watching. This is a grader. That is a beautiful copy for what these usually look like. These are printed in the same way that they do the PMGs, so that's beautiful. That was a really cool one. Spider-Punk going out to Nostalgia out of 50. That's sick. I love it. Yeah, no, they're usually super banged up. I mean, we have the earlier 1 to 50 over there that was looking pretty banged up, and that one just looks brand new. That's crazy. Absolutely insane. Love the Wolverine. Scarlet Witch. It's Hulk. Oh my gosh. What year is this from? This is crazy looking. 1971. 23 out of 40. Thankfully, I don't need to worry about anything because I don't know if it'd go to Spider-Man or the. Either way, it goes to collecting. So I'm glad it works out. That is so freaking cool. There's a sketch and a comic cut inside of the same box, y'all? Ridiculous. Look at these. That is a genuine comic. It has a piece of a comic from 1971. If you flip
What the
it on the
heck?
back, it tells you the exact issue of comic it was from. It's a real comic.
This is
It was also
this
we're
is
still on the
literally
left.
a year older or a month older than my mom.
It's still that was just the first box.
Imagine you got that box.
How did they keep it in that?
There's probably some a vault of all the comics, like some of the old ones, and they'll cut them all up. Because if you turn it around, it's numbered.
It is half a century old. It is numbered. That is so cool.
Yeah. Is there dust in this?
May
thing?
1st, 1971. That's wild. Where do you want me to put it?
Nah, you can just put it there. Yeah. Really cool piece. And again, I'm pretty sure we've got 2 red PMGs on the stack on the right, which is nuts.
Take a drink of my sparkling water.
Proud of you.
Man, it's like it tastes like the grapes in Korea. I know why. It's like the more Asian grape, but it's crazy.
Oh, that makes sense.
All right, good luck on the first red PMG, y'all. Best of luck.
I gotta see this one.
Oh man, you can see it right
The fact
there.
that it's like right there is crazy.
Yeah, there's like, oh my gosh.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's such a good card too.
Crime Master. He's the master of brownies. Oh my gosh, Crime Master, please. He's like, there we go. Black Cat, good luck. Nick Fury
Wow.
on the red PMG. Who has the letter N? Nostalgia on the letter N for their first red PMG of the night. He's smoking a cigarette? I'm trying to see what he's doing. 25 out of 100 here on the red PMG. Love it. No, we should have another one here soon. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's another one. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. No time to breathe, because we got another red PMG on its way. Oh, wow. Superior Spider-Man. Doc Otto in the Spidey. Going out to Nostalgia. Cards are giving each other a little extra love here. There's a really cool Miles on the base. Come on. There we go. Kangaroo. Century. There's Shriek on the Grandiose for collecting. Nostalgia. Scarlet Witch. The Tinkerer. Miles. Kangaroo. And behind Century, our second red PMG. Giving a little extra love. Hang on. We gotta free the card. There we go. Oh, man. It's Vision. Mike. Incredible looking card. I love that it's also in the retro style.
Who's it going to?
This one's going to Mike.
Wow.
60 out of 100. Color match. Look at that color match. Beautiful.
Crazy.
2 PMGs out of 1 box, you guys. Out of 2021. As you guys like to say here at the Blaze, or as we all say at the Blaze, out of control.
Oh.
Yeah, plus to 10. Oh, you mean, yeah. Very crazy. Love the Ironheart art. Very cute. Scream, Noir, Tombstone. Nova, Luke Cage. J. Jonah Jameson. Whoa! Iron Spider. On the Z-Force. I've not seen a Z-Force in a minute. 62 out of 62. Beautiful end of the bookend there. Omega on the bookend. Letter I. Simpass. With the Iron Spider. There's Toxin, Nick Fury, Scarlet Spider, Spider-Man 2099, Carnage, gosh, Null. Some of the artwork they do for Null is just ridiculous. It's so good. There's Catboy Wolverine, Jackal, Chameleon, Venom. We are Venom. Oh, nice. Very, very cool. It's a gold Spider-Man. Nice Spider-Man. I believe it's a bronze. Not a gold, it'd be a bronze. Beautiful looking card, man. Actually, both these boxes, the cards all are coming out like looking super crispy. I'm not gonna lie. Everything's looked pretty good. Miles, Hammerhead, Electro, War Machine, Scarlet Witch on the bronze. Going to collector. For others, letter S. Gosh, some of the artwork, man. Ooh, White Tiger. I didn't. It's just so cool. It's just so cool. Bronze. And there's Mr. Negative. We're gonna do some casing and sleeving real quick. My goodness. My goodness. No, 2024. I can't believe we're not doing more, especially after last night. I thought the revisiting to it last night was gonna put some more eyes on it, as it deserves. It's a product where, like, see, in 2021, you see PMG, you're like, oh man, we got one. And the other one, if you don't hit a PMG, that's what you get surprised about. No E-Pack, so it's all in the product. Let's see. Yeah, I'll do it like that. Although I'm pretty sure the Scarlet Witch was actually a gold. Here we go with the recap. White Tiger on the bronze. Here we've got, I don't know how Iron Spider got grouped up in there, that's my bad. 62 out of 62 on the Iron Spider. Spider-Man, Scarlet Witch on what I believe to be the gold. Shriek kicking off our grandioses. We got some beautiful palladiums. I love the Superior Spider-Man here. It's just some intense looking art. Wow, we got 3 of them. Holy cow, we got 3? Skibbity Beast with the dogs out, numbered to 50. And behind that, the very, very crispy looking Spider-Punk. 20 out of 50. Very sick. Comic cut from The Amazing Spider-Man, issue number 96, printed May 1st of 1971. This one was written by Stan Lee, by the way. That's cool. 23 out of 40. We got 2 PMGs, y'all. One of Vision and one of Nick Fury on the red PMGs. Absolutely love it. And then there's Venom. Crazy, crazy sketch of Venom going out to the letter V. It's just nuts. It's just nuts. Thank you guys all so much for the break. That was 2023 SkyBox Marvel Spider-Man Metal Universe. $2. Random letter number 14. Let's see if we can do some 2024, y'all.